Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This video is not a normal kind of video that I always do on the channel. This is just I want to share with you the few videos I'm gonna be working on. What's the idea for this year in 2020 for the channel. I've been busy working with the companies I work for, and I actually didn't have too much time to spend on my YouTube channel. But I'm planning this year to put out more content every week, and for you to enjoy. It's gonna be focused, of course, still on gaming, but we're including more and more deep learning tests and deep learning benchmark for different hardware. Let me show you a few things I got here. This is a mess right now on the room. That's the green screen that I just got. And let me show you a few things here. Let me turn on the camera. So actually, one of the videos I'm working on is on my server. This is a server that I got right here. It's two 2080 Ti's and one 2060, but the cool thing with this server is an on-race server. I have it for a virtual machine that I've been running here, like 3-4 Linux machines working on it, but at the same time I'm running a media server with Plex. Have thousands of movies, thousands of TV shows, and all the things been running on Docker. Amazing experience to have something like this, and you can see it and hear it. It's really quiet, so you can have it on your desk. In my case, I have it here in my room, and I control from my Mac. I connect here and use everything. It's a mess right now here, but this is a small station I have with my MacBook Pro, and then what I do is if I need to use Linux, I just connect to my server. If I need to use Windows, the same thing here. So I have everything centralized on my Mac. I'm gonna be showing you a video how to do that and how you can somehow become more minimalism and then have just one station that you can connect and work with multiple operating systems in case that you are IT or a DevOps like me. And it's a very good approach to have. Even for gaming, you can use that server. So let's say you have your gaming running on the GPUs, on the NVIDIA GPUs, and then you can connect from everywhere on the living room. You can have connected to a server. It's pretty nice, pretty handy to have. This is my green screen here. This is my main workstation. We know with the camera, all things are gonna be making green screen videos. And then here I have a small set. This here, it's for connecting my small machine. Very powerful, by the way. It's a Ryzen 9 3900. Let me move this here. With 32 gigs of RAM, RTX 2060. This is an amazing computer right here. With 12 core, I do a lot of deep learning stuff right here. And as you can see, it's turning on right now. I'm always connected to it. Don't usually connect the mother because I connect from my Mac the same way. And this is the station that I use for when soldering, when removing parts. I'm planning to put a TV here. We can make this area for videos as well. And this is my Jetson Nano small robot I use for deep learning inference. And actually, I'm training it right now to avoid obstacles. So when it gets here, it goes down, and then I move all the path instead to avoid, and kind of a self-driving car, something like that. It's a small project I'm working on it. So yeah, I wanted to say thank you to all of you. I did in the past that we're gonna be doing a giveaway, by the way, once we reach 500 subscribers, and today we are 499. Thank you to all of you for the support. Maybe for some people 500 it doesn't mean that much, but for me it's important to have you here. Every time when you post a comment and I'm trying to reply to you, that interaction really means a lot to me. So thank you for that, and keep tuned for the giveaway we're gonna be doing on the next video. So you need to just keep watching once we reach the 500 subscribers. And this giveaway just get better, because in the past we were giving 1070, I believe, but since too many months has passed, we're gonna be upgrading to a RTX 2060. And it's an EVGA video card. With this you can play any game, Call of Duty Warzone, all the games, and medium and even high settings on 1080p. So keep tuned for that. So thank you once again. Don't forget to subscribe. Remember, it's always free.